So why does Post Oak Realty matter? And for a lot of agents, for a lot of people, it doesn't. And that's okay, because we're not for everyone. But what I will tell you, as we continue to grow and to serve our agents, I do believe it's a fit for a lot of people. That doesn't mean everyone has to be interested, has to show interest, has to ask questions, have to come over. Like, none of that. My point is this: the reason that I'm saying this is because what we do offer is every single solitary component and software of these big name companies, of these big brand companies. And I put those in quotations because that's what they're known for, right? But from a personal website to a CRM to our app, a marketing center, we offer everything that an agent needs to function in a hands-off environment. Now, that doesn't mean that we don't interact with and help our agents. We very, very, very much do. It's one of the principles and reasons that we built and created Post Oak Realty. But the good thing is you don't have to be at a big brand, and you may want to be, and that's fine. But for those that don't, this message is for you. You don't have to be at a big brand. You can come to Post Oak Realty, which is a growing and expanding brand, and you can come here and operate your business at a low cost, high profit, utilize all of our systems and software, everything that you need to do your job effectively and efficiently, all while enjoying what you do as an agent, your personal life, your friends and family. All of that is available under the Post Oak umbrella. And if that is of an interest to you, I would love to speak with you.